One of the advantages to off-season for underwater photography is the time to work on some images that I haven't had the time to put that extra editing into. And so this is one of those images I worked on today. It's a rainy, yucky afternoon here in Charlotte. And so I worked on this image. So I wanted to show you a little bit of what an image goes through after I edit it. So this is the adjusted image from ACR. So it's not the raw image, but close. And so then as I click through, you can see some of the adjustments that have been made to get to the final image. So that is the final adjusted image. And so again, if we go backwards and I pull some of those out and then go forward and put some of those back in. So I've done things with levels and color balance, hue. I've run an action that I have that helps with my pool color and all of that. And then I've, of course, masked off for skin color and for the dress. Let's see if I can pull that specific one out here. If you see my color balance adjustment, and so then if I adjust for the dress, I don't like the color of the water, and so then I mask off so that I can have the pretty teal blue color of the water, a much truer color of the water, but keep the true color of the dress. So I hope that gives you a little insight to my editing, and I will post the final image as well. I hope you have a great day, and I hope your weather is better than ours and that we can all get in the pool soon. Thanks for watching.